I run a cooking series for children where I teach them the joy of cooking. And in that class, we cover 10 essential kitchen skills so they can start taking charge and have fun in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to let Eshan, Mirchis 1, to show you one of the key skills, which is how to use knife.
So one really important skill of using a knife is safety. So this is a knife. There are two parts. This is the metal part, the blade. This is the handle. Always hold on the handle. And the first rule is always carry knives pointing downwards. Never carry it like this. Never carry it like this. Always carry it pointing downwards. When you're moving, your knife has to always be pointing downwards. So it's like you're walking into the kitchen, for example, knife pointing downwards, never upwards or anything. Second rule is set it down flat, not close to edges. You put it edges, you could make a mistake, and then you can cut your finger or something worse can happen. When the knife moves, your eyes have to look right down. Don't look there, don't talk to your friends, don't look up, left, or right. Always look down when you're cutting. So I remember the first time my mom had a cooking class was in like around COVID. It was from some people from my school, and I was like 4, 5?
6, I think.
6, yeah. So so it was really fun because I got to learn, do it for the first time. I learned knife, I learned the whisking. That was the first time I learned essential rules of cooking. So when you cut, hands on top, knife at the bottom, like this. Never cut like this, never. So I have an apple here, so when you cut something like a round shape, always find for the steady part. See, this part is shaky, not good. This part is shaky, so it has gotta be here. Let me show you top chop. So first hold it like this, and then start going down. You might get stuck on the way if it's hard, but just push it again. Sometimes it might be shaky like this, so get your body in the right angle. Okay? So today I'm cutting these fruits to make a smoothie bowl for myself and my mom. So I gotta chop it into small pieces. So after that, keep it off the edges, the knife. So after that, put your things you cut into the bowl. Well, for after you finish your knife. Now I'm gonna show you another cutting technique for grapes. It's called Sawblade. So here you have one grape. Fingers stand up like a soldier. So, after you finish cutting, you just put it back in the bowl, like where just now you saw where I put my apples. Put it in there. So now I'm going to cut a banana with a new technique called top down. A banana, it's pretty soft, so keep the fingers away. Okay. So now, after you've cut in, you put it back to the bowl. My mom helped me start the rockabye. It's maybe, I would say, the hardest one, so it's like... Okay. So that's how you do rockabye. So after today, we've learned 4 techniques to cut that cover most of cutting. So my mom has prepared this delicious smoothie bowl. I'm gonna make my own smoothie bowl. So let's start with, my favorite fruit out of this is apples because I don't like the texture of grape. It's I won't say. Banana I also like, but I feel like it could be a bit harder, yeah. Okay. Here, and you have a smoothie bowl. Oh yeah, forgot to sprinkle. So I'm sprinkling some chia seed. Oh yes, almonds. Please click below, like, and subscribe.